Random time!
I'll be running through these checklists. Make a movie like it's Netflix. Wanna find niggas naked. Really watch me.
Yo, it's your boy BRZ Lifestyle. We out here. We out here. We outside. One of the biggest car meet. You feel me? Crazy. Crazy. Ooh.
And of course, a big shout out to Greenhorn Auto Club and everybody else who was there. Crazy, you feel me? If you were there and I was there, we were all there. We had fun and you made it lit. Gang, gang, gang.
Yo, we got more people coming in, bruh. We got people coming all over the place. It's crazy.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Right. Crazy. It is crazy. It's so cold, and yet we still have mad people out here. You see the line? They're still coming. Oh no, this is crazy. Ooh. Ooh. Shoot. This is crazy.
Boom! Some guy started doing donuts, and I missed it. I was so disappointed. Like, you can hear it in my voice. I was so disappointed that I missed it. And then, Roy, 1, 2, and then he started the car back up again, and then he was going crazy. And I'm like, whoa, this guy stink.
No, that was sick. Yo, I can't even see him. This guy, he's going crazy. Yo, I can't even see this. Yo, I can't even see the car. This is crazy. Oh no.
It's your turn, bro.
I'm chilling. Nah, this is crazy. We have to see the lines. Like this is nuts. That was crazy, bro. My hands. Yo, my hands. I don't have them. Oh no, my hands are so cold, man. Whoa. We got in there for us. It's going crazy. Oh no! And who said Air Force was slow. Whoever said Air Force was slow, I don't know, because that shit just moved. It moved out of here. Oh.
And after I said that, those guys over there started dying laughing. And I'm like, yo, I'm telling you, I myself, I own a BRZ. And they're not that slow, you know. Like, you feel me? They're not that slow. I mean, although the efforts, though, it was boosted, but they're not that slow, buddy. They're not that slow. And yep, this is gonna be it for the video. You know what I'm saying? And like this video and share and subscribe. You feel me? Bow.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin.